It it only truly takes a spark to get that fire going. Months ago, when we started the soup kitchen, it was just a spark. It was just an idea that allowed me to reach out to Bev Brown and ask her if she was willing to help me start that soup kitchen. She was so happy. She didn't hesitate. My family quickly she said, "Of course, Miss Bev. Of course." She said, "There are so many needy people in our community. Of course." And right away she went, she started pulling out the pots and she showed me what she had. And I got things in motion. And today I am so pleased. I will not say I'm proud, because pride goeth before a fall, but I'm so pleased tonight to say thank you to all the donors. I look back for the pictures when we started, when we visited the soup kitchen. I was in Jamaica. My daughter gave me a trip. Both of us were in Jamaica. My aunt drove us all the way up. My other aunt Sybil, who donated, oh my God, so much to the soup kitchen. And we took that ride up into Sunderland. I'll smile each time I think of that trip, but it was worth it. And as I said, guys, in life, it's not about what things look like. It's not about the grandness of things. It is about the intention. It is about why it is needed and why it is done. And so tonight I'm sharing with you guys where we started. We went there. We were able to just be part of it right there. Because you're here, you're sending funds, and you're collecting funds, and you're sending funds. But it was different when we were able to be right there where things were happening. IHS Ministries, thank you so much for your contributions. Bev Brown, thank you for all that you have contributed. For your children, for their time that they have contributed, not your children, but your grandchildren, for the time they have contributed, I say thank you. And guys, tonight I also shared another picture to show you where we are today. Where we are today. 300 blocks were laid. We had to buy we had to buy 50 more blocks, and they have been used. And so, Dwayne, I say thank you, son. Your hard work is not unnoticed. It is so noted. And when you do good things, Dwayne, it does come back tenfold. And so don't worry yourself. Everything is going to be all right. So my donors, you supported, you send your money, and that is what has been done with your money. Monies were used to pay Dwayne for the work he has been doing. Monies were used to buy the cement. The cement has been interesting, but we're getting it done. We're getting it done. The columns are up. Yes, sir, might not be what some of you expected. And I'm begging you, please, nobody underestimate. No one, no one. Please, everyone, we want positive vibes. We want you to appreciate, because you know what? This young man who barely, like, he learned from watching other people. When there was no one around to do anything, there were no workmen. Everybody's working on big grand houses. Our project wasn't good enough for them. I have to appreciate the guys who came and they did the measurements, and they charge as if it was a big building they're working on. They never stopped to think that this is a small kitchen, a kitchen that is going to be feeding people. But they charge just as if it was a big building. And then they start telling you, oh, well, it's 14,000 to cast a column. Oh, well, it is so much. The one who did the bottom so the blocks could start going up, 15,000 just to come and to lay that out. And so I have to be thankful to Dwayne, and I'm praying that at the end, regardless of the fact that it's his mom and she will benefit from it, and he might even get a meal from the kitchen also. But the fact that he tackled it and we have gotten this far, everything is not just sitting and looking at us, but it has been put up. When the place is rendered and painted, I'm sure it's going to look so, so, so beautiful because that is our blessings soup kitchen. And from that kitchen, we're going to be able to prepare the 19 meals we have been prepared in a more comfortable setting. So, my people, I want to thank all of you who have contributed funds. Many of you have contributed prayers. But tonight I want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you who not only donated prayers, but also dig deep in your pockets and donated to the Blessing Soup Kitchen. The names that have the number 2 beside it are those people who donated more than once. And all the others, I'm so pleased tonight. I am so, so filled with joy. I'm just grateful to all of you who saw that this was not a joke. This was not somebody trying to get an extra dollar. I didn't need $1 to put in my pocket. Every bit of it and a lot more went down for the soup kitchen. So even though your names are written, guys, I'm going to say your name because I am grateful to each and every one of you. So you see where we started, Dwayne digging out. And as he dug, guys, it took a while to get anybody to even come. He says, I'm willing to lay the blocks if they just do the first part of it. It took a while to find somebody to come and do it. Promises made, promises broken, more promises made, more promises broken. And we were just here, all the material sitting up there, and we were just here waiting in limbo, just sitting, just sitting. And the rain came and it washed all of that dirt that you see there back down in the trench, in the foundation that was dug out. All of it had to be removed again. But see, guys, all the blocks are up. Over 350 blocks are tall and ready for this. Well, not fully ready for the zinc, but almost ready for the zinc to go on. Once they put the things in place and the zinc goes on, the floor will be the next thing. But we need cement. Cement is the little thing now. We need a lot of cement. We need the people to get paid. We have gotten somebody to work with Dwayne. Um, they need to get paid, people. So please, 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 those of you who have not yet donated and you're able to donate, please do not hesitate. You can contact me, msbevsproductions at gmail.com. I have CashApp, I have PayPal, and we have the GoFundMe, guys. Any monies that come to my personal account, it will definitely be recorded and sent to Jamaica. Um, the other day, my cousin came and she donated, and she was saying, "Oh, I could give her the cash," and I said, "Nope, I want it in the GoFundMe because the end of the day, I want the transparency there. I want you guys to see that the funds you have given, um, um, it has gone into the soup kitchen. I also want names on the list that did not go through the GoFundMe that you sent me a PayPal, like Maurice Kingpin sent me PayPal, Randolph, you sent me PayPal, that your names are there, even though your names are not on the GoFundMe um website page. So all of you who, like my neighbor Miss Hyacinth, my principal, my brother, the nurse, my husband, all of those who just handed me cash, your names are not on the GoFundMe official page, but you're added here because I make note of it. And people, if I've forgotten anyone, if I have forgotten anyone, if you saw me at work or something, well, I don't think anybody else at work. It was Mr. Davis, Dr. West, Dr. Crawford, and the nurse. But just, if you had given me money, Pam Chin, you had sent me a check to go to another project, but you told me to use that check, which was $50 towards the soup kitchen. So thank you, Pam Chin. And so your names, Sarah B. Alicia G, Dr. Sasha A.W., Pam Chen, Judy S, Gil S, Mistress M. You asked me not to put it out there, and so I took a part of your name out so I could just add the Mrs. M. I need you to get your blessings. All of you have contributed, deserve a blessing from God, an extra portion, because you're doing this for those who are very, very, very much in need. So thank you. Um, Sybil M, Nurse J, Jet. Oh, Jet. Thank you, Jet. Like the widow with that one mite. But you donated, Jet. Thank you. Jet B, feel better, Jet. Ruby F, twice you contributed. Shadina's landlady. Shadina, I forgot the landlady's name, and I cleaned out my WhatsApp to clean out some of the stuff from WhatsApp. And so her name is gone. So, but I know that she gave you $20, which you did send. And so that's who I'm referring to, Shadina's landlady, Miss Hyacinth H, Sean D, Ernestine M, Carleen M, Randolph, Lincoln S, Donnie B, Maurice K, Latoya H, Narissa B, Roberto A, Shadina M, Esther H, Tessa A, Geneva B, Sashana W, Hope C, Marlene E, Tessa, you donated twice. Why do I have some names twice? They should have been just a number beside them. Anyhow, that's no wonder my thing could hold because I have Lincoln twice, I have Tessa twice, and the name should have just been one name and the number two next to it. But it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Diane H, Gustavo A, Adassa A, Dr. Crawford, and Lincoln S again. Did I have Nurse J? Yes. So those of you guys who contributed financially to this soup kitchen. And as I said, there we were, just starting. It's not a grand piece of land. It was hilly. We had our challenges because boy, I'm telling you, about 80% of the building block and the cement and stuff went down to build it up as high as where we could step from one place into the next place. So that was eating up the money, guys. That was a lot to get it all done from down there to come up. And then now you see where we are now. I couldn't show the whole thing, but you will see the videos, guys, because Bev Brown did send me 2 videos today. So just watch the videos, guys. As I said, in life, let us look for positives always. Let us, some people, as soon as they look at something, they see ugly. Oh my God. Instead of looking to say, my God, look where it started. And I know in the end, it might look this way, but in the end, it's going to be one of the best soup kitchens ever because it's built with love, it's funded with love, and the meals that are prepared in there are filled with love. You all saw the videos of how Bev Brown fixed um those recipients, fixed their meals for them. They were filled with love in that small space that she had. So now just imagine when she has a big counter, long enough counter to put out her things, right? There's a lot of stuff in the barrel, a mixer, stuff like that that can help her in the kitchen. So please support, guys, support. And I'm talking, preaching to the choir because the names I've called, you've already done your best. If you can donate some more, then just please do it, knowing it's for a good cause. So tonight I'm here, I'm excited, and I'm sharing this with you guys. So please watch, please enjoy. And for my visitors and my new subscribers, welcome to the channel. And you have just walked right into this that we're doing to this project. So if you're able to donate, please kindly donate so that we can finish this project and those needy people can continue to get their meals. I am proud of this project, and I said I am thankful to all of you make it happen, and we hope that it will continue to do the to provide love and care and respect and all those good qualities from right there under its roof. So here goes, guys. The next voice you hear should be, um, I think Bev Brown. At some point, but you'll hear something other than my voice. My people, I love all of you. I respect all of you. I so appreciate all your support. And I say tonight, just know that God will bless you. God will open doors for you. God will provide for you the things that He knows you need, not the wants, but remember, it's the things that you need. And sometimes you don't even realize it, that God is there working, but because things are just happening for you, everything is going on well, you don't notice it. Because a lot of times we only realize and notice when things fall apart. And then we start saying, where are you, God? You promised this, you promised that. Where are you? But He's there. And when things are going well, it's Him. And so let us remember to be thankful. Love, love, love to you all. Thank you for your support. Always. Please like the video. Leave your comments. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and help msbevs production and the whole MBP family to grow. Good night, everybody. Good night. It only takes a spark to get that fire going. And soon all those around, why can't I get to the thing to turn it off? Can warm up to its glowing. That's how it is with God's love. Once you've experienced it, you spread its love to everyone you want to pass it on. I wish for you, my friends, this happiness that I have found. You can depend on it. It matters not where you are bound. So shout it from the mountain tops. We want the world to know the God of love has come to us. We want to pass it on. Pass it on, my friends. Pass it on. Sorry, the next voice you heard wasn't Bev Brown's, but here we go.
Slowly building blocks right here. 50 blocks right here. Remain them unloading the truck. Yep, Blessings of Kitchen run out of building blocks, so 50 more wanted because of the high-rising building that it have to run short. So here comes the 50. And packing at the moment. So yes, Miss Bev, so this is the bathroom. So we just that one column leave to look about one no, because as you know about the plier already, I have to do it one and wait till it dry to pull. So it is finished now. The only thing left now is up the top. From all the top, the long one there. All of these have to cast in a few steel and to belt it up and to cast for the zinc to go on. Yes. So the steel man have to come now to do his measurement and get more steel. We have 20 length of steel. Don't know if that will do. So all the work is completed and the building now doings. Not until the steel man come and work at the top all of the beam, then call it the beam. Yes, that long side and the other little short side here. Here steel man come now, send for him to come and tell me what is going, what will happen. So everything is completed now. I am coming. Yes, so to God be the glory. I am coming.
Where are you?
In the building.
Oh.
So the steel man is here now.
I went in